siya, elimination. Kailangan 0-0.
Kailangan ma-draw para
Kapon, sa'yo ka ng mas.
Depende mo draw piso.
Nasa dyan yung Wonders ba?
Raven, if you draw that game, sulod ng tami.
Gani mo na-draw. Gani mo na-draw. Tegak mo?
Depende kung ma-draw na buti.
Kasi kalaban. Kaya ma-draw na eh.
Kung ma-draw ni sulod mi. If any of them
Ayan,
wins,
draw! Joke.
hey! If South Shield wins, then South Shield, then sulod sila.
Kulot kay ito.
Then South Shield win.
Siguro ang coach niya.
If any of them win,
It's not coming home.
Lalo your seat was not, your seat was,
Nice pressing.
Go Pigos! Go Pigos! Go Pigos! Yes! Ayun pagkalangan ni Miggy!
wait lang, amat na.
Yan, dagay na sa space. Yan, tag sa space. That like Pocari's wet.
After Pocari's wet.
That means it's not I like that.
Person ang
That's the Sherat.
Uy!
not coming home.
Yes! Yes! Ala, gulbaan mo draw.
No time, we need. Ay, tama, we need a draw, di ba?
Gani, no.
Yes!
Nice one.
Our lives is on the line. Earn ayaw, patulak, Earn! Kusga, keeper!
Futsal good game. Popular sa fans.
You don't want futsal game that there was like that, but then you went like you almost got
Press!
Yes!
Yes!
We need a draw.
Alay, gulbaan! Ala si Z!
Miguel, can you please? Miguel, can you please draw this?
It's a goal, Migs!
Kapag draw ba kayo, straight na tong yun.
We need draw this.
Z! Kasi draw. Sulit priming.
Coming!
A treat.
You know what? I want us to go over already. You know what? Guys, please score!
Go! Burak Pigos!
To church already.
Yes!
Will you free me?
Yes! Ang mama niyo, Pigos! Shout out ko sa mama, guys. Lagi na ito.
You know, I just want us to go home. Come on, guys.
Isa pa! Second post na magbigay.
Bula!
Dito.
Goal na ako nang masyagin mo.
Straight sa goal, Migs!
Duro!
Bong!
Yes!
Ate, Ala ba? Come on, ref. Please. Let the ball stay in the middle. Ikaw gusto mo.
RMC really needs to win this one.
Sayang wala sa mga million.
Playing down in because of
Pulis yan.
No, it's coming home. It's coming home. Imagine how she'll score this game.
Please score this. Tyler!
1-0. Ay, ka doon nagtawag ka na.
Bantay sa God. Ay, ito na.
Yan na ako.
Ayan, long throw! Ina! Gigi, bros! nice one.
Bro, I want the gameplay to be just like that. Abbas actually like did good in the last match, but they did not like defend Nice
Benjamin. Regan really
Kupal! Kupal!
Are these guys really
Oh my God, who's behind you, Benjamin? Benjamin, who's behind you?
Kupal!
Benjamin, who's behind you?
Kupal! Gusto nag-game
No, I don't. Benjamin, I don't see a holy brick like.
At sa kupal!
unahin niya! Ball fight pa!
You know the Kevin De Bruyne?
Ball fight!
Anthony Wala.
You know what Kevin De Bruyne assist is? Like,
Si MJ. I'm gay.
what's that?
Bro
I'm
likes,
gay.
bro likes men.
I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay.
Kipras! Nice one, Claire!
Benjamin,
Why do you think I always say those things?
your skin is so nice.
I'm gay.
Smooth.
I'm gay.
Bro.
Yan, sigurado yan!
Ano si Jello?
Wait, let me say
We're
it.
gonna fucking die. Look at them, bro.
Let's replace it.
Oh, bro, it's literally. Look, look, they have a free kick.
Benjamin, which one is wrong?
Sit beside you.
Brown, red.
The red one. Sa kupal.
Please, please.
You know Benjamin?
Nice save.
Di ba yung awesome like
Yes, why?
No wait!
No shot.
RMC please score this so that we go home na.
That's my man.
Stop. Imagine you score the winning goal in the final.
Go up there.
What's that place mo ga?
Hindi sa pag-finals.
Sa kupal.
Ang U16.
Hey.
Oh, snap. Nice one.
Corner!
Bro, it's still a draw.
Ay, nag-game niya ha?
No.
Sa kupal.
Can I erase the battery? Wait lang. I'll just go 100%.
Team, patabla sa mo din.
Sa pila kanina, tag 3,000, 2,000. Kaya.
Actually, there also.
Good.
Yeah, they...
Wait, no, I found Benjamin for me.
Wait, no, this with the glazes. I know I'm not gay. I know. Ayaw him.
Nice one. Good. Pilot told me not to.
Like Benjamin, I think.
Pinag-play ang bid mo, wala.
Hindi ko pal.
So yan, diretso yan! Diretso yan! Good!
We're going home! Let's go!
Hold ta.
Turning now, returning!
Hold ta wa.
Hey, Benjamin, tagan mo. It's okay. Ayaw cute to go turning final.
Si Polak.
Press, boy!
Try. Pulling mo dito.
Can I just reset that class?
What's your top why? Why?
Please, South Shield.
Sige lang, nag-aaral lang sa time.
Why? See, do I have to know everybody here in the same
Pero oy! Nangani na sa picture. Sige lang wa, okay lang wa. Aware ha! Manon! Manon ha!
Okay, bro.
Take time, take time, take time! Oras wa.
Ato video weekend na yun.
Say 5 minutes pa.
Tigong, sulot, tigong. Sulot. Iyak ka. Ambak ka. Counter by! Tigong, bayan si Tigong, susunod! Tigong, susunod! Hey! Go, first touch!
What's your either side chance?
Wait, what's your they have total 6 points. Alayanam already has 8 points. Sanjay only has 4 points. Wait, kita dila best kita.
What's your name again?
Ayan, pagdali. Cover lang.
1 win, 3 draws. Ako na against Wolves first game.
Wolves? Out of all teams.
You guys have 2 draws and 1 loss. You guys have to speak.
Yeah, but we just newly started.
Wait, you have to play South Chill then.
Yes, I'll try to
Straight sa goal, Meg! Mix, patag na mix me, personally.
They got their time.
Ay, ang kayong. Naku, kayong kayong.
Yan! Dapat ka ni Benson na. Montessori ka pa.
Isa, pero Montessori.
Artistic ang tagang.
Imagine, I used to act like a guy.
Teams of under 11, please proceed to the stage right now for the awarding ceremony.
Special.
Our special one with special children.
Wait, you heard the part where like Alex and
Oh yeah, I only
Miguel.
remember Ed was talking about it.
Yavo. It was so late. It happened like last month.
I heard about you talk about it, bro, and I also saw the GC.
Yavo, the Leeds. So Alex went.
Gani, no? As in Miguel.
Miguel went to Alex's house
Gani.
after. Was housekeeping.
Grabe, no?
Oh, like, walking at the house naman.
Yeah, but imagine things got serious with everyone.
Ito na lang siya ba? Bro, why are you cheering for them?
Go home already. Let me go to church and go to mall.
I want to Audi na lang.
Those gonna buy a Rolex.
Wait,
Really sa pato eh.
go to safety barbers. If your hair needs a new barber, safety ha?
No, I'm just going to haircut plan.
Oh, on goal.
Safety
Bro,
is
Montessori is
safety.
so bad. Like, if they do like a terrible thing.
Do you even play?
Yes!